And the race is on, sailing away, superior arc on your knees, moving up by the red cuts away, together with Thunderbird, cuts away Thunderbird, alongside sailing away, superior arc, running in the middle is Don Alejandro Jobel, success on your knees, and my boy Paulo is running at the tail of the field, cuts away by half a length, followed by Thunderbird. Sailing away is racing in third, and moving up in the middle is Don Alejandro. Superior Art racing in fifth, on your knees is racing in sixth position. Another far turn, cuts away, sailing away. Don Alejandro racing on the outside. Thunderbird on your knees also coming into the picture as they race the final corner. Don Alejandro sailing away on your knees on the farther outside, entering the last 200 meters more to run. Don Alejandro on your knees on the outside, sailing away, but still Don Alejandro on your knees, and finally Don Alejandro on your knees, sailing away. Thunderbird, Superior Arc, my boy Paulo Jobel, success, and cuts away comes life.
So,